G'day everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Welcome to this episode where I'm just going to update a little video that I did previously all around Microsoft Forms, around group forms, and also moving your personal forms across the group forms. Now, I had a question on my blog about the previous video that I did about moving a form from personal to a group form. Now, because of some changes in the UI of Microsoft Forms, the question was that Microsoft seemed to have removed that ability to create group forms, but also move your personal forms. So let's jump in and take a look. They haven't removed it, it just is in a different spot and the process is a little bit different. So what we can see here is I'm on the forms, I'll call it the forms homepage. You can see I've got some a recent form here, but I've also got my groups down the bottom. Now, if I wanted to create a group form, then I would come down to my groups down here. I would pick my group. So I'm going to choose retail. And then what I can do here is I can choose a new group form and create a group form from that user interface and through that process. So from the home page down to groups, I can have a look of the groups that I'm a member of, and I can create my form inside of that group. That means everybody's got access to collaborate and edit and view the responses. Now, if we tackle the other situation now, so I've created a form that for myself, all right, so it's a personal form. How do we go about moving that form or making that form available as a group form? So here I've got a personal form. Now I can't, when I click on the three dots here, I haven't got any option to be able to move it. So what I can do is click on all my forms, then I've got my forms, then I can click on the ellipses, three little dots, and then what I can do is I can move that to my group. All right, so if I want to move it to the retail group, then I can go click on that and it's going to move that now to the group form. So if I click back here and I click on retail, I'm going to have that IT request form, which is now a group form. So I hope that clears that up. Hope it brings you some value. Again, change management side of things, just a little bit of a different process. Need to make users aware of it. If you've got training material around Microsoft Forms and the creation of those and also group forms, then it might be an idea to either use this or you can update your training materials. I hope that brings you some value. See you in the next episode.